Parang estudyante lang dito sa Korea, guys. So, ayun dalawa, oh. Papunta na sila, papasok na sa school.
So, today, guys, itutur ko kayo sa campus namin ngayon. Good morning, guys! So, it's our last day here in Seoul, South Korea. So, we're about to check out, guys. So, ito pala yung view namin from our hotel. Ayan. So, we're staying here sa Dongdaemun, guys. Gagala pa kami. Pupunta kami ng Iwa. Mag-rent kami ng Korean school uniform.
Photoshoot na naman to.
Yeah. So, yun na lang yung activity namin today. And yung flight namin is 10 p.m. Follow us in this adventure and let's go. We're done with our breakfast and we're going to the train station now. So, doon pala yung hotel namin, guys. And then, nandun lang yung train station. So, sobrang lapit lang talaga niya, guys.
Alright guys, kasama ulit namin si Carl, pinsan ko. So ayan, pupunta tayo ngayon dun sa rent ng mga school uniforms. Alright, we're already here and we're gonna go to the 4th floor, guys. Nandun kasi yung rentahan ng uniform.
Alright guys, so we're now here sa Gamsong Gyubok. Nasa loob lang siya ng Lotte World, guys. And dito kami mag-rent ng school uniform. As you can see at my back, so yan yung pila. So ito yung mga choices nila, guys, ng mga uniform. And marami pa dito.
So guys, outfit check. Alright guys, bumili muna kami ng burger dito sa Laderia kasi nagugutom kami and bago kami mag-photoshoot dun sa labas. So ito guys yung mga burgers nila. Ayan. Yung pinsan ko guys, hindi siya nag-order kasi busog pa daw siya. So ayan, photoshoot na tayo. Let's go! Oh, diba? Parang estudyante lang dito sa Korea, guys. So ayun dalawa, oh. Papunta na sila, papasok na sa school. Classmate!
Ayan guys, so we're on the way. Yung rent pala nito guys, we paid 25,000 Korean won. So guys, we're on the train. We're going to Iwa University.
Buti nakaupo kami this time.
Alright, so today guys, itutur ko kayo sa campus namin. So tara, mag-campus tour tayo. So it's currently 2:30 p.m. guys. Hello guys, oh, may elementary. Ayan, dyan ka.
Oo.
Doon ka, pasok ka na anak.
Uy!
Kasi papasok din kami.
Section Gamungay ako kayo. Anong section kayo?
Section kay Mate. Sahay.
So, nandito kami sa Dunkin. Mag-grab muna kami ng coffee kasi uhaw na kami guys. So guys, nandito na kami sa school
Campus.
namin sa Yonsei.
Oh.
Ayun yung mga classmates namin guys, hindi sila naka-uniform.
Ayun guys, naka-school uniform talaga kami. Kasi guys, good students kami guys.
And guys, time to photo shoot.
Oh, wow. Mura na si Libby.
Asa mo niya?
Alright guys, so we're done taking photos here sa Yonsei University. Ang ganda dito guys, ang daming cherry blossoms.
Tapos yung mga legit na mga estudyante talaga dito.
Wala lang.
Hindi sila na kayo. Chill lang sila.
Parang kami yung legit guys. Fake sila guys.
Ilang oras na lang, uuwi na kami ng Pinas.
Wala na.
Guys.
Alright guys, so we just returned our uniforms.
And ayun na lahat guys ang ating mga, photoshoot. Makikita nilang sa IG namin yan. So yeah, we really had fun and it is really a must try guys.
Yeah.
Sulit guys.
Yeah, yung mga uniform pala pwede na siyang dalhin anywhere dito sa Seoul as long as isolin niya lang talaga siya within the day.
From here guys, sasakay na kami papuntang hotel namin kasi kukunin na namin yung mga luggages namin and after that, pupunta na kami ng airport. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you Agaw.
Thank you.
Uuwi na rin si Agaw sa kanilang guys, sa lugar nila, sa dorm. So ayun guys.
Bye guys! See you in the next one. Bye!